Hi there, this is me Amit, and in this tutorial I'll be teaching you guys how you can rig a character using Rigify in Blender. Rigify is an add-on that allows you to create a rig for your character in a very short period of time. In this video, you will learn how to efficiently create or generate a rig for your model. You will also learn how to fix common problems like white painting for perfect deformation. So let's get started. To do that, make sure you enable the Rigify. If not, go to the edit, then preferences, and in the add-on section search for Rigify. Okay, now you can search here for Rigify and make sure it enabled. Okay, once it enabled, the Rigify will be added to the armature section. Okay, now before that, make sure the cursor is at world origin. If not, press Shift S and select the cursor to world origin. Okay, so this is very important, and make sure you apply the scale and all the transformation by selecting the character, then Ctrl A and apply all the transformation. This is very necessary, guys. Okay, now we'll be importing the rig, the armature. For that, press Shift A, and in the armature section you can see there are some options. Now we will be adding the basic human meta rig. Go to the basic tab, and in this menu you can choose. We'll be using the basic human meta rig. Okay, now you can see the meta rig is added. Now go to this tab called the object data properties. Okay, and in the viewport display, make sure in front is enabled. Okay, so we can see this without any disruption. Okay, and now scale this because when it is added, the center point is at wall cursor. Okay, so when you scale it, it will scale at this point. Okay, scale it like this. Okay, press 1. Now select the character, go to this tab, go to this options called the overlay, show overlays, and enable this wireframe. Okay, so you can see the topology and all the edges properly. This is important. Okay, press 1 for the front view. Now select the character, go to this tab and go to the viewport shading. Let me change the color so it do not disrupt us. Okay, once you have imported the rig, select the armature, press tab to enter edit mode. Here you will align the bones to fit our character limbs and other parts. Move the bones into position by using G to grab, R to rotate, and S to scale where necessary. Take your time to ensure the bones are properly aligned at the joint, like the shoulders, elbows, and knees. This is crucial for smooth bending during animation. Your character should have good edge loops around joints, at least 3 loops. These loops ensure the mesh deforms smoothly when the bone bends. If your model is asymmetrical, disable mirror mode temporarily and manually align the bones on each side. For the feet, make sure the heel bone covers the entire width of the feet. Now, I will pause here and quickly align all the bones to the character. Once the bones are roughly in place, enable the snapping option and set it to snap to vertex. This will help the bones snap to the nearest vertex for precise positioning, especially at joints. Go to each bone and move it closer to the nearest vertex. Enable the toggle X-ray for better visibility of the bone through the mesh. This will help you align them with greater accuracy. Pay special attention to the joints, ensuring the bones align properly with the mesh. Accurate alignment at this stage will save you time and trouble later. Once you have placed all the bones, return to object mode by pressing tab. Now select the default armature, press Ctrl+A and apply all transformation. This step is very important to ensure everything works correctly. Select the armature, go to the Object Data Properties tab and then hit Generate Rig. This creates the final Rigify rig. Once applied, hide the default armature by pressing H. Select the character mesh, then shift select the Rigify rig, press Ctrl+P and choose with automatic weights. This will bind the mesh to the rig using weight painting for deformation. Switch to pose mode. Test the rig by moving different controllers. Check how the limbs, torso or head deforms. If you find any issues, like here the upper arms not deforming correctly, we'll fix that next. Go back to object mode, select the rig, then shift select the mesh and switch to wet paint mode. In the Object Data Properties tab, you will see a list of vertex group for each bones. Select the bone causing the issue, in this case the upper arm. Now use the add brush to paint over the areas that need more influence. You can adjust the brush strength and size for precise control. Repeat the process for the other arms and any other areas causing problems. Once done, return to pose mode and test again. You will see that the issue is now fixed. And that's how you can rig a character using Rigify. With this step, you will have a clear functional rig ready for animation. If you want to learn how to model this character, check out the free course link in the description. You can also explore my other courses, links are in the bio. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more update tips and behind the scenes content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.